this one isn't. Yep.
Oh.
Yep. No, you're fine. So the first thing that I just want to like talk about and celebrate is last time I was in your room, so we've been working on being our directions, getting clear and explicit directions. And last time I was in your room, I saw you being more mindful about your directions and like giving clear, explicit directions to students. What has been the impact of that in your classroom?
I do feel like the rotations are going more smoothly. I'm still, directions-wise, I think it's going really well.
Great.
And the energy is being spent on keeping them on task in their groups.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. But in terms of transitioning, it's going.
And more time.
Great.
In the groups.
Beautiful. Report that there. So today I want to dive into word meaning 301. So I brought the standards, 301, which says analyze how the choice of specific words or phrases shape the meaning or tone in somewhat challenging passage when the effect is simple. So in your own words, what is this passage, or what is this? In your own words, what do students need to know or be able to do to show mastery of the standard?
This is a hard one for these students, but they need to know what figured language is. They need to know.
Oh yeah, if you want to, yeah. Figurative language.
That terminology, and specifically, I'm going to say, just focus on just this unit. Metaphor and symbol is huge. That's what I'm doing in this unit. So those are the specific terms.
Okay. And then what do they need to be able to do?
They need to be able to make connections.
Okay.
That's the basic. The difficult part, which is the complex and more challenging text, is that abstract thinking, which is really hard for these kids. So, which is the higher level of making connections.
Sure. Great. So similar to you, I said they need to be able to define tone and mood.
Oh, which we covered in the lesson.
Yep. And I think you actually, here, I can give you your notes from the weekly data meeting too.
Those were the vocabulary words.
Yep.
That first lesson.
And then they need to be able to identify the tone and the mood. That's what I had. I wrote they need to be able to understand the impact of word choice and analyze word choice. And then you had, I think, like make connections, and I worded that by saying like understand the relationship. And then I also had understand metaphors and make connections. Okay, so let's take a look at the exit ticket from Monday. What were the keys to an ideal? Like what were the keys to an ideal answer?
Well, there was specific things. I always try to get them to use the words in the question.
Okay.
So restating the question, and we even use the Inspire RTQ. A lot of them know that already.
Yeah.
And then so by doing that, that means that they're getting into it means to me, so they're using that. And they also make connections to the video, trying to use the video to help them understand meaning, and that they do mention mood and tone.
Yeah.
So those are my basic criteria
Okay.
that I was looking for in their answer.
Okay, so I had the keys where they had to have a true assertion and RTQ, and then the exemplar needed to include what you just said, tone,
And
mood,
that is
the connection, and then evidence to support their answer. Does that sound right? Okay.
Yeah, and one of the reasons why I didn't have as much emphasis on true assertion in this case, although this is my standard rubric I always have on top, is because this poem is really open, broad for interpretation.
Yeah, when I was reading the poem, I was thinking the same thing.
Yeah.
So, I specifically, let's take a look at the exemplar that you gave me, and I also want to take a look, I pulled 3 specific students from the highest file that you gave me, and I want you to, let's take a look at the exemplar. So we're down here, we're going to unpack the exemplars. I want to take a look at your exemplar and the student work, and I want us to identify any gaps. These three in specific, I felt like were pretty strong from your strongest file. So I wanted to take a look at these three specific. So feel free to take a couple minutes and look and see what the gaps are between those.
Okay. I think the biggest gap